I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lift a Nissan Altima with a jack. Before you begin, ensure your vehicle is on a level, firm surface. Always engage the parking brake and use wheel chocks on the wheels that will remain on the ground. If you plan to remove a wheel, loosen its lug nuts slightly while the car is still on the ground. Remember, safety is paramount. Never work under a car supported only by a jack. To lift the front of your Altima, you have a couple of options. For a central lift, find the sturdy front subframe crossmember, usually located beneath the radiator. Place your floor jack here. If lifting one side, use the reinforced pinch welds, marked by two small notches, located just behind the front wheels. Always use a pinch weld adapter with your floor jack to prevent damage. Once lifted, place jack stands securely under the pinch welds. For lifting the rear of your Nissan Altima, a similar approach applies. You can locate the central rear subframe crossmember, which is a strong point for a floor jack to lift the entire back end. Alternatively, use the reinforced pinch welds, again marked by two notches, situated just in front of the rear wheels. Lift the vehicle slowly and steadily. Once the desired height is reached, carefully position your jack stands under these reinforced pinch weld areas for stable support. Once your work is complete, it's time to safely lower your Altima. First, ensure all tools and any body parts are clear from underneath the car. Slowly raise the vehicle just enough with your jack to remove the jack stands. Once the stands are clear, gently and gradually lower the vehicle completely to the ground. Finally, if you removed any wheels, tighten the lug nuts to the manufacturer's recommended torque specification for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.